What we're going to be looking at is our 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit over at Kenmore Commons. We have our nice courtyard area. We have security cameras. Very quiet community. This unit is extremely spacious. Comes with an air conditioner. That's an electric heater. Kitchen area here. Comes with a refrigerator, microwave, stove, oven. This actually has a 5-burner stove, which makes this unit really unique. A lot of really great lighting in this unit. This unit has a really large shower, little nook area, and then here we are in the bedroom. Lots and lots of closet space. And has a lot of really great lighting. Has 1, 2, 3 double pane windows. This is our 1-bedroom. We only have actually one of these units, and that's what makes it so special.